Following the events of a few months, both in terms of the general discussion in the populace about the challenges that our country face, the need to be able to rise up and defend our democracy, our constitution, we've taken a decision, some of us, to convene a national conference in which we want to invite as many people as is possible, as different professionals, sectors as is possible, to have a dialogue, to have a conversation that says what kind of shared perspective do we have, should we have, can we have about our own country, to identify 10, 15 years down the line of democracy, are there areas we may think want to improve on in terms of, for instance, the electoral laws, to look at the issue of a directly elected President of the Republic. What about issues of constituencies in which some of us currently feel a little bit more helpless because you say you're not able to influence your own member of parliament? Is that something we may want to be able to look at? In terms of the issues of the judiciary, in addition to talking about respect, judgment and other issues, are there policy issues that need to be looked at which will further strengthen the judiciary, that will create a better relationship between the three arms of government, that will ensure that they continue to act without fear or favor? Also, what about issues of second generation rights? Because yes, it's important to look at the constitution in terms of the right to vote and all of those, but it's also important to look at issues of second generation rights. What about institutions of democracy, our national symbols, the constitution, the national anthem? These and other issues are what we hope South Africans across race, across class, across the political divide will want to be able to come and have a dialogue. Of course, there may also be others who say yes to a dialogue, but the dialogue must result in a new political formation. They have to argue those points there because we do not have a preconceived outcome of what we're looking for. We know that obviously it's easy in preparing for the National Convention to tend to focus on those who are inside the African National Congress and not look at broader South Africans, wherever they may be, members of parliament. So the message we want to send is to say to every South African, through your different constituencies and or on your own, this invitation is personally to you to get in touch with ourselves in terms of the email address that we will give and or the website that we will have. We don't want anyone to later say, if only I was there, I could have made a difference in terms of how democracy flourishes in our own country.